You ready?
Okay. Continue. Yeah.
You play football?
Yeah.
Are you good?
Good.
How do we know you're good? Is he good?
No, because it needs to fit in. It needs to be fixed.
So you gotta be better.
Yeah.
How long has this been going on?
A few months now.
2 months. Did you fall or anything? Or just from football?
Just
I want you to turn your head to this side. Yeah, look straight. No, straight this way. Bend your head sideways this way. Okay, look straight. Relax. Relax. Was that painful?
No.
Okay, come to your right. You ready? You nervous? I didn't get an answer.
I'm sure it's fine.
You can be fine and nervous.
Yeah, true.
So are you fine and nervous? He said yes. Reality is sinking in. Reality is ready to happen. You ready? What are you doing? You okay? Was it painful? A little?
No.
Just surprising?
Yes.
Face this way. Just gonna look down. If you're looking for me, I'm back. I'm here.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah.
Okay. You want a break? Few moments later.
Ah. Yeah.
You need to make sure your back is there. You can check. Use your hand to make sure your back is there. It's not serious. You can't check. Deep breath in. Let it all out. Out. Down.
Okay. Continue.
Continue. Proceed. Relax. Now go on your neck. Relax.
Okay. Yeah.
Where did they go? Amen. I don't say no. Like that. So which blind area? right one. Is this painful? No, this is painful.
Hey.
So it's the left one, this is the right one. What are you waiting?
You want screwdriver lose you.
That one,
You won't lose you.
there's a needle that will come out.
Eh?
Yeah.
No. No.
There's, you're not listening. What are you doing? You will mess up my adjustments. So, remember, I'm trained. So there's a needle that will come out
Why?
and it will shoot you here.
Ah. No. Yeah.
Is it painful?
No.
Then why did you say hey? So this will help you compress the spine. Bring your head up. I'll tell you what I'll do before I do it, okay? Bring your hand to your stomach.
Yeah.
Talk about it.
You fear? Why you fear?
Ah. That's it.
You see that's up.
Where did he go? Talk to me. What did he feel like?
I'm okay.
A few moments later.
Is someone else that you Yeah. Are you sure? They're not just telling me yeah. You know how we're recording after? So usually we don't record after the person comes out from resting. But from the way you jumped up, from the way you jumped up, I have to make sure that the people see that you're alive, you're okay. So everything is okay. Alright, so let's go over the altitude. So your first adjustment, you ran away. How do you feel? So it's much better. See how you sit, you haven't been following the altitude.
Okay. The pain I'm going